Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so excited to share the new Gnome So Thankful stamp set. It is a clear 4x6 stamp set that comes with 7 images as well as 9 very buildable sentiments. You can see how they stamped out just beautifully. The sentiments read, "Welcome, Gnome, sweet. Ours is a thankful, happy, so, thanks a bunch, thankful, and I love you a bushel and a peck." And of course, with these little gnomes in this stamp set, they coordinate well with all of the other gnome sets that are available over on the Whimsy Stamps website. I do have a couple of samples to share with you today. For this first one, I used the connected rectangle die set, and I used the curly Q background stamp to create the orange background. And after I had colored and cut my little gnome homes, I just added them onto a piece of ink blended cardstock and paper pieced them back into the connected rectangles die cut. For my second sample, I used the Slimline Scenic Window die and decided to create a shaker card. And for my shaker bits, I really wanted to use the apples from the No See Kinetic All Season Tree die set. I thought that that would be a perfect addition to go along with my bucket of apples, and the sign was perfect to go behind my little bucket of apples, and the sentiment reads, "I love you a bushel and a peck." And that's it. That wraps up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.